Hi friends, hope you are doing great. In our last video, we have done working with firewalls part 1. In that video, finally, I have done a mistake. So firewall 2 I have created. Firewall 2 I have created and updated the firewall rules. And we didn't get the correct result on that time. So now I am going to do the same only. So if you have not seen my previous video, please see that video so that you can understand these steps what we are going to do right now. Okay, we are going to see that right now. Go to the Google Cloud Console. So this is the GCP console. So this is which we have created already, this VM3 VMs, database server, web server, and this is the firewall rule which I have created. Last I have created firewall 2. This is the firewall 2 which I have created, and this is the database I have given, and IP range I have given 10.0.0.0/24, and TCP 3306 and ICMP, and here action I have given as deny, and priority I have given as 900, and network demo hyphen VPC. Just let me edit, go to this and just edit it for you. So demo hyphen firewall 2. Okay, then priority 900, and here specified targets here, and here I have given these things only, and target tags, just see these things carefully. Target tags I have given database name, this is the database, and IP ranges here, and here you can see I have given web server IP range 10.0.0.0/24. This is web server IP range, but target tags I have given database. So from this we can't able to ping anything from web server, right? So then I have given the TCP 3306, it is for MySQL, and other protocols I have given for ICMP. Then specified protocols and ports also we have done it. Okay, so you can see this, friends. Okay, then what I'm going to do means I'm going to update this firewall. So now we are updating this firewall rule demo hyphen FW2, right? So let me change the name. I'm unable to change the name. Okay, fine. So here description only I can change. Actually DEMP I have put it in description. I have put demo. Okay, just it's a typo error only. No need to worry about it. So when we create, we should give the firewall name correctly. Okay, so it is coming here. You can see it, friends, here. So we have updated the firewall rule. So now what we are going to do means we need to go to that VM, and from VM, from this web server we need to connect, from this web server we need to ping the database server whether it is working or not. So go to that SSH, and before that let me refer my document. Yeah, okay, fine. So go to that web server. So this web server only we have given, right? So just SSH into this web server, and just ping the database. So answer is we should not ping. I mean, we should the packet loss will be 100% will receive. We will receive the 100% packet loss. That's what I am going to do it, because we are logged to that web server VM. So now I am going to ping database server. If I am entering, then definitely 100% packet loss it will come. So I am waiting for it. Okay, so you can see, friends, now 100% packet loss we are getting. So I think you got that what I am trying to say. So we have put this web server source, and in that lab we have updated source. In firewall we have updated like 10.0.0/24. so it is blocking. Okay, so it has been blocking from that. For example, I am exiting this one. Let me try from this service. So answer is, can we ping database? I am going to ping from this service VM, right? First we need to log into that SSH. I mean, first we need to log into the service machine VM. Then from that service VM, we are going to ping the database. So answer. So you need to say this answer, whether we will get the, whether this it will reach or not. So you need to say the answer, friends. If you are following, you can definitely say the answer. Answer is yes, it will ping 0% packet loss. Okay, because we didn't block this IP, right? So we didn't block this service IP, we have blocked web server IP only. Okay, so likewise we can do it, friends. You can update the firewall as per your requirement. So finally I am going to delete each and everything. So first I will delete these. I am going to terminate this VM, and we'll see. Next we need to delete the firewall, and we need to delete the VPC network also. So go to that VPC network, go to the VPC, and we need to delete the demo VPC which we have created already. Just click this demo VPC. Let's wait for it. It is coming right now. So here you need to click this delete VPC network. Deleting a network also deletes its subnetworks, routes and firewall rules. We cannot undo this section. So just I'm deleting this VPC network. So this is deleting the network. So just scroll down. So it is deleting now. Demo-VPC, it is deleting right now. Let's wait for it, friends. So we have done the lab successfully. Let me check it here. VM has been deleted successfully. Then go to that VPC network. So here also it will be deleted definitely. Demo VPC, still it is deleting, friends. It will take some time. So I will try to refresh it. Loading data. So if you are seeing the demo-VPC, it has been deleted. Then I think firewall also deleted. Firewalls also deleted. So we need to delete this VPC only. No need to delete separately that firewall rules. Okay. So I think you have got that message. I think so. When we delete that VPC, that time you will get the pop-up message. Firewall and routes, it will be deleted automatically if you are deleting the VPC network. So just you need to check it, cross check it also, friends. Okay. So yeah, it has been deleted successfully. And go to the home page, and you can check in under the resources also. So we don't have anything. Done with the lab. Thanks a lot, friends. We are done with the lab today. Sorry for making a mistake in my previous video. So in this video we have rectified that one. It's like a troubleshooting, we have done it. So if you have not seen my previous video, you should see that video, then only you can see this video. You can understand easily. Thanks a lot, friends. Have a great day. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the GCP. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.